Cafe refrigerator model CXE22DP4PW2 error codes. Nothing about your personal style is standard. So why should your appliances be? Created for those who want to reflect their true style in every room of their home, Cafe is distinct by design. Choose between two bold collections. The customizable Professional Collection boasts a distinct line of hardware options, and the Modern Glass Collection features a seamless, contemporary design. Backed by show-stopping features, every Cafe appliance gives you the form and the function you've been craving. Error codes. Code FF. Problem. Check frozen food for thawing because the temperature is rising too high. Code PF. Problem. The power to the refrigerator has been interrupted. Code C. Problem. Check the ice maker for proper operation. Code D. Problem. The defrost system has not operated properly in the last 24 hours. Code CC. Problem. Check the temperature controls because the temperature for the refrigerator is incorrect.